One way of thinking about this, ladies, is that it's a rotation. Right? See how this would map onto that? And so if we're doing it by, they said angle, side, angle, right? So if this rotates on here, that means that U goes on to Q, right? So that's the third angle that we need. Or excuse me, second angle that we need. Angle U congruent to angle Q. That's it. Okay, so imagine this rotates up here. See how I could set it right on top of that? The things that you set on top of each other are the stuff that's supposed to be congruent if that triangles are congruent, right? So that means that U need to be congruent to Q. That's the third thing that's the third bit of information we need to prove it congruent by angle, side, angle. That would give us two angles and the side in between them. Why did I pick? Because see how, well, let's look at the information that we have that already matches up. See how V and P have to correspond. It's like we're essentially building a correspondence here, right? So I know that P and V, so I'm going to put V here and P here. And I'm just going to go ahead and write this TUV just because I can write it in any order. Let's see what has to correspond. Okay, see how QP has to go with UV? So I'm going to put the Q here where the U is. That means that the Q has to go with the U, doesn't it? And the T has to go with the R. That means these guys would have to be the ones equal. It's also true that these would have to be equal, but since we're proving by angle, side, angle, we needed this one specifically because it's on the other side of the side. The other side of the side. All right.